Have you ever landed on a web page and went, what is happening? I don't know how to navigate this thing. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Do they even provide the service or have the product that I'm actually looking for? Because when you land on a web page and you don't immediately understand where you're supposed to go, what you're supposed to do with it, how you're supposed to interact with it, it's frustrating. And honestly, it's something that will just make people leave. I mean, imagine like walking into a grocery store or to a department store and not having a clue where anything is. It's confusing, it's overwhelming, there's no signage. I just don't know what I'm doing or where I'm supposed to be. How do I find the thing that I'm looking for? And honestly, websites are the same. It's really, really important that we design a website in such a way that whenever someone lands on your web page, that they know exactly how to get to what they're looking for. If you have services, they need to be in a specific area, specific drop-down menu that lists them out very clearly, easy to navigate to. If you have products, how do they find the products? How do they actually see what they're looking for and get to them quickly? Maybe all they want to do is just get on a phone call. Well, how easy is it to find your phone number? If it's not right there in the menu, right there with a call button, it's probably going to be difficult for them to find it. How do I scroll to find wherever it is? I don't know. Do I have to go to another page altogether? I don't know. It's very difficult to figure those things out. And a lot of times, I'll just go find someone else who I can get a hold of a lot easier. So when you're looking to optimize your website, finding a way to have a smooth, easy to interact with website is super important. And it's something that we optimize for all the time. So if this is something that you find is a problem with your web page or your website in general, we'd love to help. We can set up an audit, find a time to meet with you and just figure out, hey, what is it that you're having trouble with? What are we seeing on your website that might be able to be corrected or fixed or optimized in the best way? And these are types of things that are really, really important. We love helping people understand how to make their website just work better for them. So if that's something you need help with, you can find us at sustainedgrowthsolutions.com. You can contact us at contact@sustainedgrowthsolutions.com as well. If we can help, give us a call.